You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, make sure to stay tuned. You've got more videos coming up pronounced in English as studied. It comes from the verb to study, therefore it's pronounced rather similarly. Studied. The difference is that you have a long E sound as the second syllable, ed sound. Studied. Stress on the first syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Studied. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.